Greetings, this is Math Simplified with Ms. T. So our focus topic today is rounding off in decimals. So if you are to round off decimal numbers, now this is the first thing, like these are the notes. Now if you have, so these are the numbers after the comma. This is when you are focusing on the numbers after the comma. So if the number after the comma falls in group 1, meaning if after your comma you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, I call this group 1. And then you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I call this group 2. Now this is what, if we are told to round off to one decimal place, so one decimal place, there must only be one number after the comma. So one decimal place means one number after the comma. For example, you will see your decimal number written as 0.8. What? Because of 8 is the only number after your comma. Rounding off to two decimal places, it's two numbers after the comma. So when we look at your answer, we need to see 0.83, for example. So 83 means I only have two numbers after my comma. A round off to three decimal place, it means three numbers after the comma. For example, 0.834. What do I see? I see after my comma, I see three numbers. So let's take, for example, I give you 0.7638. Now, remember, guys, you cannot read it as 0.76,382. These are decimals. So you read them as 76382, because we've seen learners who say 0.83. You cannot do that. It's not 0.83, it's 0.83. Now one decimal place. So now if we are to round off 0.768382 to one decimal place, you do like this. You say 0, okay. So if you are to, so I just wanted to use a different color, so at least you see which ones are the answers. So if we are to round off 0.76382 to one decimal place, means one number after the comma. So it's 0, now my focus number is 7. I always highlight my focus number. My focus number is 7. Then I look at the number after 7. Then 6, then I come and look for 6 here. Where do I find 6? I find 6 in group 2. In group 2, it means 6 has a power to change 7 into 8. So the numbers in groups 2, they have the power to can affect your given number, your focus number. Okay, to two decimal place, we come back here. It's 0.7. Now my focus number is now 6. Okay, again, I look at the number after 6. The number after 6 is in group 2. In group 1, it doesn't have power to affect the 6. So my answer becomes 0.76. Why? Because 3 has no power. All the numbers in group 3 cannot change my focus number. Okay, next, 3 decimal places. What do I know? I'm going to write 3 numbers after the comma. So you have 0.76. Now my focus number is 3. Okay, my focus number is 3. What do? I check the number after 3. The number after 3 is 8, which is in group 2. Therefore, my 3 becomes 4. Thank you. Now, please try these two numbers. Your 0.26382. You round off this number to one decimal place, to two decimal places, and to three decimal places. Round off and then take a photo and post on your comment.